Federal agents will now be allowed to stop people that they believe are immigrants without documents based on things like skin, color, job type, languages that they speak, or other factors. Critics say that this is racial profiling that has been inexcusable under law for forever until now. Here's Angeline McCall.
A ruling that felt hard for so many to believe, including Andrea Loya.
I mean, you have to really understand that we have really gone back in time.
She runs nonprofit Casa de Paz and learned this week the Supreme Court is lifting restrictions that kept ICE agents from questioning people about their immigration status based solely on their skin color, language spoken, or job type.
Honestly, it's as a person who identifies with both of those, both an immigrant, a person of color, and somebody who speaks Spanish and proudly speaks that at home. It's devastating.
It stems from the large-scale raids and sweeps happening this summer in California. The Supreme Court issued a decision that, at least temporarily, does not require agents to stop people with probable cause, only with the lesser reasonable suspicion.
We speak Spanish at home, and Spanish is my daughter's first language. My daughter's an American citizen, but Spanish is her first chosen language. And so yesterday when I heard about that, as a mom, I think it also hit different because it just made me question if I was choosing the right things for my kid, which is just a language.
Andrea's conversations with other advocates across the country in places like Chicago say the ruling makes people want to remain out of the public as much as possible.
Essentially, go back to COVID times, stock up, and be saving food so that they can keep their community safe and that their communities don't have to see the streets.
The decision comes following an injunction. The Supreme Court overruled a federal judge in a lower court, and this will continue to be litigated, Mark.
Yeah, obviously we've seen the federal government and President Trump send in a lot of federal forces into places like Los Angeles and Chicago. We haven't seen that here in Denver yet.
Yeah, the temperature is not there, but of course this ruling does concern people. And what if there is kind of a temperature change, right? Or a policy change in Denver, then that would be a real concern.
We'll see what happens. Angeline McCall, appreciate it. Thank you.